what's going on today? Today we're chilling at Royalty Auto Spa's annual barbecue where it's fucking lit. We got a nice set of cars lined up, and we got some girls cleaning some cars too. So let's go over there and check it out. Let's check out the cars first. Learn more about the cars. We got some bikes. The M5's over here, parked away from everything. Sick with bikes.
That shit crack. Say it, you baby at the mall. Say it, you need to drive where you are. Come and meet me in the bathroom side and show me why you deserve it. That shit crack. That shit crack.
Don't worry, guys. I know you guys want to see over there. Just give me a minute. Let me just show the cars first. We got this Liberty Walk, or not Liberty Walk. We got a Supra.
I'm just saying, Chris Williams ain't do it right if you ask me. Cause I was smoke with him. Mary Kate and Ashley. What's Gucci, my nigga? What's Louis, my killer? What's drugs, my dealer? What's that jack with my chiller? Y'all can say I'm the illest. Cause I'm suffering from realness. Got my niggas in Paris and they going gorillas. That shit crack.
There's still looks wicked on this one, man. Nice. There's a mad carbon fiber slam Aventador.
I think I'm big meat.
Hey bro, how you doing? Good? We're good, man. I'll check in a second, alright brother? Got this next Slam 5.0 right here. Royalty family, you got the Royalty CC3 right here.
Oh really? I never actually.
Pretty long cars.
But that's it. Amazing. I think it's a Mac Blazer.
Nice too. This is sick. Ford F100, old school. I love old school trucks, man. These are fucking sick. My favorite part are these windows. Wintertime or summertime, when you have no air conditioning, those things will save your nuts. We're taking out the whole area. This is the lineup for cars to be washed. Holy fuck. There is a truck covered head to toe with shit. That's gonna be pretty awesome. Got everything around here. Brown Vicks. Yeah, what's going on, bro? Thank you for buying for Skyline. You know, appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Yeah, we got every type of car. We got this one. This thing's the worst. This thing's fucking bad, dude. Holy fuck.
Well, he fast pass, so if you want to join him, you can do that. It's up to you guys.
Yeah, just go, honestly, try to fast pass. They're not going to say no to you.
It's $40. That's the only thing. It's 40 instead of 20.
This thing's going to be fucking nasty.
I know, that's serious.
Oh, too bad. He's not gonna do it. He's feeling a little cheap, I guess. Or, I don't know if he's gonna do it. He said next time, so I guess. Let's see if he's gonna make that turn. I don't know, he's thinking about it. Don't think about it too much. We got the Rocket Bunny RX-7 right here too, guys. This looks nice. We saw this recently at Import Fest. This car was a friend of mine, got sold, went to America, and then somebody local bought it back. So great to see a car that was built in Canada stay in Canada. Everything on here, guys, is pretty lit. I had some food already. I had a jerk chicken, it was pretty nice. pretty good. We got some jerk chicken, jerk pork. We got hot dogs, tacos. We got the necessities and ice cream and all that shit, guys. So it's pretty. It's very good. It's a very good. You know, we're gonna check out the food because yo, food matters. Food is pretty decent, as I said. You know, nothing on the grill right now. We got the taco truck right here. Oh, he's coming in. Alright, 33, man. We're gonna probably see one of these soon. I don't know, maybe. So the part you guys want to see, we're getting to it. $40 to get your car clean. There you guys go, your favorite part.
Telling me in the bathroom, I'm fucking water for knocking at the door. She's screaming out, I'm coming in my youngin' in my living room. Fucking up my shit, she tell me, boy, I'm baby, you fucking up my weed.
You're on camera, bro. You're on camera, yo.
All the songs in the kid made me a rock boy. Niggas talking money, I should get up on my trap, bitches like
Fucking crazy, guys.
Yeah. I need you to step out of the DJ booth for a second.
Bro, you have to, bro.
Just take a step out. Okay. Just take a step out. I don't like where this is going, man. No, just take a step out.
These guys are doing it up right now.
The epitome of car wash is right there. He came to a car wash to get washed. Holy mother of God. No. And
These girls.
hey, no fucking around. The girls are looking at that car like, you know what? He said, I'm going to the car wash. And I'm getting my car washed. God damn. He said, let's drive up to North Bay, Sudbury, Timmins, wherever there's bush. That is 13. Wherever there's bush. Mud. And get this car dirty and we go into the car wash. Oh, man. And the funny thing is, that's caked on. That's been out there for a month. That's a lot of scrubbing. That was today. Where did you go to get that dirty today?
By their house, actually.
And where the hell do they live?
Hamilton.
Wow.
Oh, damn. Hamilton's got dirt like that? Okay. I'm going to call that the 38. Coming to the car wash. Gee.
The white Mustang. I think it's your boy from fucking Strata or whatever. We need the car moved like right now.
All right, Drew. Can you move your car to the what? Leave. Someone's trying to get out.
Big all guys.
Super Lambo, $1 million Lambo's coming.
It's gonna take them a long time.
Gotta make a move on it.
truck's gonna take forever to be cleaned.
Car wash song.
So much,
We can make this song real epic right now. It's going down. Carl's in the truck, the black truck, washing it with water. Oh my God, it's going down. Get that dirt off that car. Oh, stop looking at me. That's a little bit awkward.